Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400 and in this video I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on this laptop. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Select the Accounts section on the list and then go down to the Other Users section, click Add Account. And if you want to add another user using their Microsoft account, then enter their email or phone number on this page, click Next, then enter their password and proceed by adding a PIN code to their account. And once you do that, their account will be created. Now if you want to create another user's account locally, select I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the following page, select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Then enter the username for this user, create a password for them, and confirm it in the following field. Then select 3 security questions for them in case they forget their password, so that they can answer one of these questions in order to recover the access to their account. Once you select the questions, provide the answers in their respective field, then click Next. To switch to that account, open the Start menu, select your account, tap on the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of this window and select this user's account. Now, to remove their account, expand this menu, then select Remove. Before you do that, you're gonna have to sign out of their account. Click Delete Account and Data, and this way their account will be removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.